In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to enable or disable pop-up windows in Mozilla Firefox. Whether you need to block unwanted pop-ups or allow them for certain sites, we'll show you how to manage this setting easily. Open the Mozilla Firefox on your system by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and typing Firefox. Next, you should press Enter key. Open a new tab in the Mozilla Firefox browser. Type About. Preferences #privacy in the address bar and hit Enter key to go to the privacy settings page. Type About. Preferences #privacy in the address bar and hit Enter key to go to the privacy settings page. Scroll down this page to the permissions section. Then, check the Block Pop-up Windows checkbox if you want to disable the pop-up windows as shown below. If you want to block all the pop-up windows from most of the websites, except a few ones, then click Exceptions. To add websites for exceptions, type the URL of the website under Address of Website and click Allow. Repeat the same to add more websites one by one. Then click Save Changes to make changes and close the exceptions window. Click Remove All Websites if you want to remove all the websites listed above, and click Save Changes. If you want to enable the pop-up windows on your Firefox browser, then uncheck the Block Pop-up Windows option as shown below. Once done, you can either continue browsing or close the Firefox app. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.